You searched how to buy shares of Electrolux Professional AB publ. Here is a concise walkthrough. Electrolux Professional makes commercial kitchen and laundry equipment and trades on CBOE under the ticker EPROB.ST. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example for this walkthrough. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EPROB.ST to find the exact listing for Electrolux Professional. Confirm the search result matches Electrolux Professional AB publ before moving on. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Review the business description, market listing, and the ticker one more time. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows confirmation. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A reference link to eToro is provided in the description for your convenience.